Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2019 Jeep Cherokee, and this quick video I'll try to show you how to take off your front bumper cover. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hood and start by removing clips all around this plastic. I already took out the clips and I decided that I'll make a video for you. So first of all, you have to take out all clips holding down the plastic. They are right here, these clips. So how do we take them out? Carefully, don't rush, little by little. You're gonna have a clip, for example, here. So you have clip two parts, bottom and top. Okay, so the top goes in the bottom. So you're gonna put screwdriver in here, wiggle it, try to wiggle out the top out. Once you have the top out, you should be able to get the bottom out. Okay. Once you have all clips out, again, don't rush. You should have like more than 10. Once you have them out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, around 15. So 13, 14, 15 clips all together. After that, just try to get this plastic out. You're gonna use two hands, it's gonna be a little bit easier. Just push it a little bit forward and it comes out. Put this here for now. And so next step we're gonna do, we're gonna get a ratchet 8mm and remove there will be two screws 8mm here and here. So two of these, get them out on both sides. Okay, so once you have screws out on both sides, you'll have to remove also two clips. One clip here, one clip here. I'm going to show on the other side. And look, this plastic arc cover is connected with fender and bumper. So you have to unclick this plastic trim from the bumper. So how we're going to do this, I'm going to show you on this side. Here, this is pretty much how it's gonna look. Okay, so like this, all this will be connected, it's gonna be clipped in. Okay, and what I used, so first of all, you're gonna have all of this will be clicked back in like this. Okay, now there will be this cover here, everything's gonna be closed like this. Pum pum pum. So first thing, we're gonna get our hand in, remove the liner like this, so we are able to get inside. After that, you can get any type of pliers. So over here you will have white clips. Hope you guys can see it. See this white? This one? Yeah. So if you're gonna squeeze on sides, it should be able to get out from the spot. So what I'm doing, I'm squeezing it on the side and then trying to just, okay, so you need two hands. So you squeeze it and with the other hand you just pull it out like this. So you're gonna have two of them, two white ones, and let me get this out, I'm gonna show you more. So plus you're gonna have these black clips that go in. If you're gonna force too much, you're gonna break them. So you wanna do this carefully, little by little. So just you're gonna find it, wiggle it, get one out. Find another one, wiggle it, it's gonna come out. And just like this, little by little by little by little, you just need to get past this point. Okay, once you pass this point, you'll be able to unclick the bumper from the fender. So at this point, what we have to do is to get 10mm. Over here we have a 10mm screw over here on top, right here. Okay, so there's a 10mm and we should get it out. So let's get it out. So just a hint, well, I took this plastic off till here. approximately, so it's gonna be easier to get that screw out. So now once I got that screw out, next step, again, I'm gonna take the same 10 mil, go under the car, and here should be somewhere. Okay, show you. Okay, do we see them? No, need a flashlight. So we are under the car, and we have to get out these one. Is it a 10 mil? Yes, 10 mil. So 1, 2, like 3, 4 screws, bolts actually. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. We have to get them out. Okay, so same ratchet. Let's go get them out. Okay, once we have 4 bolts out under the car, next thing we're gonna get T30 and remove this one and this one. Okay, so now we need to get inside here. So at this point we should be able to unclick the bumper from the fender, the bumper from the fender. So over here we have, oh, this is good, I'll be able to show you. So we're gonna do here, we're gonna put our screwdriver flathead in here, raise up a little bit. Okay, you see what we're doing? We're taking the bumper piece, raising it up here, and with the other hand we're gonna pull here. And then little by little, by just pulling those 2 hands, guys, by the way, if it's uncomfortable for you, for example, to work on this side like this, you just start the car and turn the wheel other way, then you're gonna have more space. Alright, so let's unclick it. I just put something so don't drop it on the floor. Alright, so here we have a connector which is holding it down. Just gonna put the yellow pin to the bottom and we should be able to just pull towards yourself this connector and it's off. So over here we have a little problem. You can see these pins. See this one right here, this one, and the third one. From the bottom it's like here. And the thing is, I didn't find a way how to open them, because earlier I remember I was able to get them out. We were just pressing inside in the middle and they would open. But right now this doesn't look like legit clip. So okay, so I believe they are single-use clips. Okay, so basically to take off bumper you will need to remove all 3 of them. Okay, using force they will disconnect. You won't be able to reuse them again, but it doesn't mean you can't do this. You can do it and then just use any other clips just to do this. Yeah, that's it. So otherwise everything else is accessible right now. Way easier to work on a car at this point. This is it. Okay, so to put everything back together, it's gonna be same exact reverse procedure. Connect connector, align the bumper, put bumper right in the gap. It should go in easy, and then just tap a little bit on them, on the bumper, just to click it back in place. Put exact screws, bolts, clips back in place, and after you're done, you're done. Okay guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button, and have a great day. Bye bye.